So, as a How to Be a Redhead ambassador, I got my welcome kit and gonna unbox it. So first I got this sort of postcard from the founders, and it's really awesome because as a redhead you rarely get to feel so celebrated. And I have a ton of cards that I can hand out to redheads that I see. Now, I also got these stickers. It's such an awesome graphic. I got this pen. It says How to Be a Redhead. And I got the Finally Have Brows, which it's backwards, but it's clear. So, best for redheads who want to embrace their natural brow color but desire a fuller, more even look. So you can just use it on your brows, or you can use it over color that you apply to your brows. So this is awesome. It also came with QR codes for how-to videos. So that's just really amazing. And I'll be putting my code, my link for How to Be a Redhead